see these eyes. Blink, 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 blink. Ooh, it's up. Hello, how are you guys doing today? Whatever day I decide to post this. So I just feel like being a Barbie today, so that's what we're gonna do. Also, I think I'm gonna use my beauty blender. I haven't used it in forever, and I'm not gonna wet it right now because I don't need it right now. Eyebrows on, period. Don't play with me. I'm gonna link my eyebrow tutorial here or here. I don't know which side. I have mapped it out in my head. So I'm gonna start off by doing like this maroonish color, and then I'm gonna put some red on, and then I'm gonna blend it all out with pink. So like the main color is pink. I'm trying to go for pink. I'm gonna go in with this red right here. Not the same, but I am trying. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry, and I'm gonna try not to move my eyes. I got this on and all cleaned up and stuff. I'm just gonna blend it out so that when I do my makeup, it don't mess up or be in the way or anything. it. I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to ruin it. Okay. Go. Okay. Got kind of an icy blue tint to it, but anyone knows a trick to get these out of your eyelashes, please let me know. I'm playing a dangerous game right now. So I'm gonna line this. Oh, that's a good line. I'm just gonna bring it over. That's good. So I struggled with this lash and got it on. And I found a dramatic pair. Well, no, I didn't. I didn't find a dramatic pair. I found a pair that I can deal with. And yeah, and I'm just gonna put some. Okay, my camera's dying. You can't watch me put my highlight on, but I'm gonna put it on and I'll include some pictures. Thanks for watching. This is the face, the little Barbie face, you know, yada yada yada. You already know. I'll come back when my camera gets through charging or whatever to show the whole face and like natural light and stuff. But for right now, I'm gonna dip. Yes, get to it. How do I turn the flash on?